when you're based in Western, Central Europe, you tend to ignore a little bit smaller markets, but actually these are the best markets where you can test the viability of a product. And these markets are also the more flexible to see whether the next big change will happen in this industry or not.
I think that Bulgaria in particular has a lot of talent that is technology talent, which is either solving solutions for companies which are mainly outside of Bulgaria, at the moment, because there has not been enough demand on the internal market. But I do believe that very soon we're going to see actually the divergence of that situation, where you'll have those companies providing solutions more actively to the local players once local players understand the real needs of a customer and trends of changing the environment.
The region is already so interconnected with the global tech industry that Southeast Europe is slowly adopting and developing all types of solutions and products. So we see companies that are developing their own products from one perspective that can expand globally quite easily, and companies that are also servicing international companies on a local scene.
I unfortunately have to be the bad guy here and tell you the truth. It doesn't show up in the map at all. With the transition, all the banks from Western Europe came in Eastern Europe in order to hunt growth. And they basically overbanked the market completely. The market is currently overwhelmed with banking services and financial services, and it's really hard for fintech disruptors to even find place there.
South and East Europe is still pretty low on the radar. Probably we have to talk about more Central Europe, probably in that perspective. They have more visibility, and especially in Nordics. I mean East Nordics, which for the last years they've proven that they're innovators really into that. So probably we are a little bit more east and a little bit more south to be really innovators, and in more regards until now into that sector we're more forwards.
We have technology, we have knowledge, we have mathematical skills and programming languages. We speaking languages. So from technology point of view, we are staying very well. The adoption of new technologies, the customers' adoptions is going a bit slower, but will fastly change.
Speaking with more knowledgeable people, with startups, with fintech guys, and trying to structure some projects, some initiatives to invest in something. Small scale on local level. The other direction is on group level. Unica Group is doing a lot in this regard. As you probably know, Unica Ventures investing in some insurtech, fintech, some startups and so on. So a lot of things are going on in this field on group level, and we are part of big group projects like this project Pure, for example. And the third very much important to me personally aspect is promoting the innovation culture, the culture of change, the culture of financial digital literacy, and embracing the challenge in this regard, nurturing talent.
We are a Bulgarian-based bank. We're a European bank, but we are Bulgarian headquartered bank. So of course, it's much more convenient and efficient to work with people who are here on the ground, because you can talk about many approaches of running IT projects. Agile is very cool, but it's very cool and very efficient when actually people are even in the same room.